Good morning to all of you. Let's start today's current affairs of 29th September. Link is given in description box. Please download the PDF. First news is Alyssa Healy breaks MS Dhoni's record. Australia's wicketkeeper and batswoman Alyssa Healy broke MS Dhoni's record of having most dismissals as a wicketkeeper in the T20 format. Healy now has 92 dismissals in the shortest format of the game, while Dhoni had a record of 91 dismissals. Australia capital is Canberra, currency is dollar. Next news is Ishar Judge Ahluwalia, an icon for women economist, passed away. Renowned economist and Padma Bhushan awardee Judge Ishar Ahluwalia passes away. She had served on several national and international committees and boards over her career, including as chairperson of the Board of Trustees for IFPRI and ICRIER. She was awarded with the Padma Bhushan in the year 2009. 2009 में उन्हें पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया गया था. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज़ वर्ल्ड रेबीज़ डे 28 सितंबर को सेलिब्रेट किया गया है. 28 सितंबर इज़ वर्ल्ड रेबीज़ डे, अ ग्लोबल हेल्थ ऑब्जर्वेंस it was started in 2007 to raise awareness about rabies and bring together partners to enhance prevention and control efforts worldwide. इस बार का थीम रहा है एंड रेबीज़ कोलैबोरेट वैक्सीनेट. एंड रेबीज़ कोलैबोरेट वैक्सीनेट. WHO and FAO have pledged to eliminate death from rabies by 2030. Next news is International Day for Universal Access to Information is celebrated on 28th September. International Day for Universal Access to Information. Every year, International Day for Universal Access of Information is observed on 20th September. In 2015, UNESCO declared 28th September as International Day for Universal Access to Information. 2015 में ये स्टार्ट किया गया था. In 2020, the day focuses on the right to information in times of crisis. UNESCO headquarters is in Paris, France. It was founded in 1945 and the Director General is Audrey Azoulay. Next news is RBI ropes in Amitabh Bachchan for customer awareness campaign. RBI has roped in Amitabh Bachchan for customer awareness campaign to prevent gullible account holders from being duped. As part of public awareness, the regulator keeps information about do's and don'ts that have to be followed to transact safely and securely. Governor is Shaktikant Das and headquarters is in Mumbai. Next news is Odisha government launches Radio Pathshala program. Radio Pathshala program has been launched by Odisha government for students up to class 8. The program will broadcast from AIR stations in the state for 15 minutes daily. The audio of the program will also be made available on the online Diksha platform. Odisha capital is Bhubaneswar and governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next news is World Bank approves a $200 million loan for safe water and sanitation in Bangladesh. वर्ल्ड बैंक ने $200 मिलियन का लोन दिया है बांग्लादेश के लिए टू इम्प्रूव एक्सेस टू सेफ वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन सर्विसेज इन रूरल एरियाज. प्रोजेक्ट विल हेल्प प्रिवेंट डिजीजेज बाय प्रोवाइडिंग बेटर एक्सेस टू वाटर, सैनिटेशन एंड हाइजीन wash facilities at homes and in public places. Bangladesh's capital is Dhaka and currency is Taka. Next news is Virgin Hyperloop BIAL sign MOU to study feasibility of high-speed corridor. Bangladesh International Airport Limited and Virgin Hyperloop. Bangladesh International Airport Limited and Virgin Hyperloop have signed an MOU to conduct a feasibility study for a proposed Hyperloop corridor from the Kempegowda International Airport. A Hyperloop have speeds of up to 1080 km per hour. Chairman of Virgin Hyperloop is Sultan Sulaim and BIAL TMV Bhaskar. Next news is Maharashtra launches Chemo Recovery Kits containing Ayurvedic formulation. महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया है कैमो रिकवरी किट्स जिसमें कि आयुर्वेदिक फॉर्मुलेशन होगा. ये मुंबई में लॉन्च किया गया है. द किट हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड बाय इंटीग्रेटेड कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट एंड रिसर्च सेंटर ऑफ द भारतीय संस्कृति दर्शन ट्रस्ट विद फिनेंशियल असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम टाटा ट्रस्ट. Governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Capital is Mumbai. Next news is Valtteri Bottas wins Russia. Lewis Hamilton misses F1 win record. Bottas won Russian Grand Prix for Mercedes after Lewis Hamilton collected 2 penalties for infringements before starting the race. Hamilton, hoping a 91st Formula One victory to equal Michael Schumacher's all-time record, he finished third. Fédération Internationale d'Automobile is headquartered in Paris, France. Next news is Maharashtra, first in country to ban sale of loose cigarettes. Maharashtra has banned the sale of unpackaged loose cigarettes and BDs, making it the first Indian state to do so. पहला स्टेट हो गया महाराष्ट्र लूज सिगरेट को बैन कर लूज सिगरेट की सेल को बैन करने वाला. महाराष्ट्र फर्स्ट स्टेट हो गया है. द मूव इज एम्ड एट इंश्योरिंग दैट कस्टमर्स सी द ग्राफिक पब्लिक हेल्थ वार्निंग्स मैंडेटेड ऑन cigarette packaging. Maharashtra has the lowest smoking rate in the country. Next news is Center releases first installment of over 19,000 crore rupees for paddy procurement in 3 states under MSP scheme. MSP scheme के अंदर 3 स्टेट में पैडी प्रोक्योरमेंट के लिए 19,000 करोड़ का फर्स्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट सेंटर ने रिलीज़ किया है. 19,444 crore rupees का 3 states को for Kharif paddy procurement under MSP operations. These amounts have been sanctioned to assist states and state marketing alliances in undertaking paddy procurement operation in a timely manner. These 3 states are Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Telangana. Chhattisgarh, Haryana and Telangana. Next news is nation pays homage to revolutionary freedom fighter Bhagat Singh on his 113th birth anniversary. He born on 28th September 1907 in Punjab, in Banga village of undivided Punjab. The revolutionary freedom fighter was executed by British at the age of 23. He was hanged in the Lahore jail with Rajguru and Sukhdev in 1931. Popularly, he is known as Shaheed-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. Next news is MeitY and Niti Aayog to organize Race 2020 Summit. MeitY and Niti Aayog will organize a virtual summit on AI Race 2020 Responsible AI for Social Empowerment 2020 from October 5 to 9, 2020. It will facilitate to exchange ideas and chart course for using AI for social transformation, inclusion and empowerment. MeitY and Niti Aayog. MeitY means Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and Niti Aayog will organize a virtual summit on AI RAISE 2020. RAISE 2020 is Responsible AI for Social Empowerment. It will facilitate to exchange ideas and chart course for using AI for social transformation and inclusion and empowerment. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It was founded in 2016. Next news is Seat Tires appoints Aamir Khan as brand ambassador. Seat Tire has signed Bollywood actor Aamir Khan as its brand ambassador for 2 years. As a part of integrated marketing campaign, Aamir Khan will feature in 2 commercials during the course of the IPL 2020 to promote Seat's Secura Drive range of car tires. The campaign is based on the theme Don't Be a Dummy. Campaign का theme है Don't Be a Dummy. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज एसर इंडिया ने सोनू सूद को अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर अपॉइंट किया है. एसर इंडिया हैज़ रोप्ड इन एक्टर सोनू सूद एज इट्स ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. एसर हेडक्वार्टर इज इन ताइपी, ताइवान. CEO इज जेसन चेन. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज केरला ने UN अवार्ड जीता है ऑन प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेज। केरला बैग्ड यूनाइटेड नेशन अवार्ड फॉर इट्स आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स द नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेज रिलेटेड सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट गोल्स। SDGs Self Development Goals Award recognizes achievements during 2019 on the multi-sectoral action in the prevention and control of NCDs, NCDs is non-communicable diseases, mental health and NCD-related SDGs. UNIATF award this year was announced by WHO. Next news is UP's first conservation center for vultures to come up in गोरखपुर। गोरखपुर में यूपी का पहला conservation center vultures के लिए ओपन होने वाला है। जटायु conservation center, Jatayu Conservation and Breeding Center would be set up in Bhari Baisi village in Gorakhpur. Bhari Baisi village in Gorakhpur. Center will be the first in India. This center will be the first in India which will be dedicated to red-headed king vulture. Red-headed king vulture के लिए पहला ये dedicated होगा completely. It is to be formed on the lines of Haryana's Pijnor VBC Center. Pijnor VCB Center. Next news is Vakrangi gets RBI nod to set up Bharat Bill Payments Unit. भारत बिल पेमेंट यूनिट सेटअप करने का वकरंगी को आरबीआई की तरफ से सहमति मिल गई है। ग्रांटेड आरबीआई ग्रांटेड वकरंगी लिमिटेड इन प्रिंसिपल अप्रूवल टू सेटअप भारत बिल पेमेंट ऑपरेशन यूनिट under the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 to handle payment services related to bills. Vakrangi Limited founder is Dinesh Nandwana and it was founded in 1990. Next news is Axis Bank to provide affordable loans via Bayer's Better Life Farming Initiative. Axis Bank has joined hands with Bayer's Better Life Farming Initiative. Bayer's का Better Life Farming Initiative Axis Bank ने join कर लिया है to provide holistic financial solutions to smallholder farmers and rural farming communities. Through this partnership, bank will offer a wide range of financial solutions. MD and CEO of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Next news is Swami Pratyag Bodhananda, Hindu spiritual guru, vice president of Vedic ashram, passed away. Swami Pratyag Bodhananda, an eminent Hindu spiritual guru at the United States-based ashram imparting Vedic education for past several decades, passed away. He was vice president of Alsha Vidya Gurukulam in Pennsylvania. The Gurukulam was founded in 1986 by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Thanks for watching this session. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you really like this session, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.